Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to change the color of a shirt to any color of your choice in Photoshop. So to do this, let's bring in our image. Okay, this is the image we are going to use. The first thing we have to do is to unlock the image from the layers panel and duplicate it. So to duplicate it, if you are using a Mac, you can use Command J and Windows Control J to duplicate it. So once it is duplicate, we are going to zoom in. We are going to zoom in and select the pen tool. So we are going to draw around the shirt, or we are going to draw around the area we want to change the color of. So we are going to take our time and draw around the shirt. I see that my edges are not very perfect, because I don't want this video to take longer than necessary. So when you are doing it, you have to take your time and draw it around the edges, so that after the whole thing you'll get a very good result. So we are almost done here. So you select all parts that you want it to show, all parts you want to show in the change of color, or all parts you want to change. You select all the parts. If not, after the whole process, some parts will have different colors, whilst others also have different colors. So you take your time and select all the shirts, like every aspect of the shirt. So we are done here. So once you are done, you click on Control Enter or Command Enter to select the area. See that the area has been selected. So the next thing we do is to come down here to select solid color. Select solid color. You see that the color has begun changing, or the selected area has changed color. So you choose a color. You choose a color you want, or the color you want the shirt to take. And after choosing your color, you come to this panel, you click on it, and you scroll down to color. You can see that the color has changed. Let me zoom out so that you can see. You can see that the color has changed. This is the before, this is the after. See that the color has changed. So you can change it to any color of your choice. This is the easiest way to change the color of a shirt in Photoshop. Let's say you are doing a design for someone. You need someone with a green shirt, but if not getting any good picture of a person wearing a green shirt, you can take a picture of a person wearing any other color and change the color into a green color. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.